Alright, what's up? We're back. First WRX vid. We're actually working on it. So we got the power steering line in the mail. I tried to go to the junkyard and find it's just this line that's leaking on ours. But apparently this is all I can buy. So here's what $60 looks like. Junkyard around here. Not one of them has one Subaru, any model, any year. But here's where our issue is. So whatever those are for. Here it is.
Here it is.
Nice hose. Yeah, we thought that this hose was leaking, so we replaced that. Come to find out it was this. That inside of here is completely...
Oh, it's this one. It's this side, wasn't it?
No, it's the bracket side.
Oh, okay, yeah, he's right.
It's this side. The metal part is completely rusted out. I put my finger through it pretty much. So once we do this, should have power steering. No more screaming, no more leaky. Why is this fitting stuck down here? There we go.
Alright, well, let's get
under the car. Alright, so there's this bracket thing right here. This big triangle we took off the other day.
There's just like 6 bolts.
See, here's the hose we replaced, but it turns out this part's the leaky guy. So
Yeah, they can see that.
we're just probably gonna leak some more. Looks like we need to undo 2 fittings that go way up here. Somehow I get those. And then 1 fitting
It's the ends of these 2 right here.
right here.
And 2.
This one goes to right here. And this one goes way the fuck up there, so I'm sure that'll be fun. So I guess I'll fucking get these wrenches.
Yeah, we'll try and figure out the best angle of attack.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back with you with some
knowledge
and progress, we hope.
We'll see. So here's the first one I'm trying to get. These wrenches are not good. Can't get it in here. That's the most I can grip. And it just slips off, so we're in the process of rounding that bolt off. So that's the update.
Yeah, this one you might be able to see. I don't know. I can't. It's like all the way up in there. So you gotta try and get your wrench above this axle. And you ain't got no leverage. It's good stuff. What do you say?
Yeah.
Man, you look like an idiot. You should see how dumb you look. Your forehead look big as shit.
Alright, so Stone got his line, his big line,
I can show you.
and the bracket.
Oh, you can see because these are the 2. I got this one.
And the bracket.
Now I'm just working on loosening this. And the bracket that was right here, we got that off. So I just need to loosen this one. And then wait on Jagger's ugly ass. Look at him.
This bolt was rounded. This bolt right there. So I just cut the line. And now I got a socket on here. Let me walk y'all through the process. It's starting to rain, so that's cool.
Damn. Ah.
There it is. If anyone wants this line, garage kept, mint, check eBay. Good condition, 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Cosmetic only.
Alright, so now he's just got to get that one.
Alright, so predicament, the line up here, the skinny one, the one that's not bad, I can't get a wrench on. Well, I can get a wrench on, I can't turn it. So we're just going to replace the big one, which is the one that's bad.
Give me the 17 there. Is this the line wrench?
No. So, on my car,
I'm gonna go fuck myself.
the big line is the one that's bad. The small one is the one we can't get off. So that works out. We're just going to replace the big one. And we'll save this line. If it ever goes bad, I'll try and figure it out then. But as of right now, it's not bad. So I'm just going to act like that Joan is fine. Alright, so here's the old line that we took out with the cut end that was rusted rusted out right here. This is where all the fluid was coming out. You guys can see that? Yeah. And here's our brand new line, about to go in. Should go in the way it came out. Working man. Big strong.
Yeah.
He's working up there.
Yeah.
Started.
Yeah, I'm on. Go ahead and get yours.
He's on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this
Mine
in there.
Well, here, hang on, because I'm just basically getting this joint all the way in. I'm only going to hit it with the wrench one time.
There you go.
I won't tighten it all the way down.
We have had a spill, and all the tools are soaked. Pretty crusty.
Mine was butter. Putting it back in.
Mine's crusty, dusty.
Alright. It came in at 17 before I lose my spot. The line wrench. Motherfucker, hand me the normal wrench one more time and it's going through your head. I feed this up to myself if this wasn't the slipperiest fucking thing. Man, my wrist hurts.
Fuck your wrist. Fix my shit.
This joint does not be in the worst spot ever. Like, engineers at Subaru gotta get fucking hung or some shit, bro.
They gotta what?
They gotta go die. What's the torque spec on this?
Tight.
Alright, that's as tight as it goes without snapping your line. Hey, is your back hurt? Does it feel like you've been laying on concrete for 4 hours?
Yeah. Weird. It's almost like I've been laying on concrete for 4 hours. Should I just round this joint while it's loose?
So what happens when we fill this joint up and it's still on?
It's pissing.
Yeah.
I drive the jump to the ocean and
Oh yeah, there you go. That joint tight. That joint tight.
we're tight. So now we just gotta do what? A bracket?
This bracket and this bracket.
You still got the old one? We got a new bracket.
It's somewhere by me.
Bracket that came with the new one. Put that right there.
Upper joint was this and this. No. Here it is. Got launched.
You sure?
No.
Looks like it.
Yeah, that's it. How the fuck am I pulling this shit off?
Alright, you got your bracket?
We got the bracket, we got the line, we got this, and we got that.
So we left this. We didn't put this in very tight because I don't want to. The line under here has some rust. If that line goes bad, I might have to drop the whole rack and pinion to get it out. And I don't want to. Alright, so now that we got the lines in,
Sorry, stepped on your phone.
we got some Valvoline high mileage, over 75K. Definitely beat that a long time ago. Power steering fluid would stop leak. Shouldn't need to stop any leaks anymore. But here we go.
Sure smells like
Man,
power
this joint
steering
smells
around
like
here.
shit. Smell this.
Yeah, that's what this whole area smells like. Like I'm standing right next to a puddle of bush. Ah, damn, missed it. I hit my foot though. Turn the bottle over. It's probably good. And then give it a second, it'll probably suck some.
Suck. That joint sucking?
That don't suck.
Why is it raining?
Yeah, I don't know.
Look over there. Look at the rain.
Can they see that?
Probably.
They can see your car getting rained on. They can see me getting wet. They can see that. I don't know what they can see. Well, yeah, I don't know. Maybe fire it up and
Fire it up.
then it'll suck some. We gotta, gotta send it around the place.
Suck.
Man, I think they can see that. You start it up, that joint said, all gone. Make sure it ain't pissing, right? The pissing, that's old piss. We good.
No new piss.
Should we just cut back to these folks when we're done doing this? We're just gonna repeat this process.
Yeah. repeat the process. Be back. Well, filled it up, wiggling the wheel. No more screaming from the power steering. So I think we're in the clear. So we still have to go underneath and put that metal thing back on. So
yeah, and after we put that panel on the bottom, we're gonna, once we lower the car so we can turn the wheels like all the way, we're gonna do that after, but we just want you to set it on the ground because we're not trying to die out here.
yeah.
And turn that jump to where it falls off the ramp.
Alright, so we got 2 studs right there, 2 right there, 2 bolts right there, and then 2 bolts right there. These bolts have nuts on the back of them.
Alright, so we've got it started up. It's squeaking. He's going full lock to full lock on the wheels. We're just trying to bleed the system basically. Make sure it's got all fluid in it. You can see it's getting there. It's not squeaking anymore. Oh, there's one more. But we're just gonna keep repeating this until there's no squeaking, the fluid's full, and we're good to go.
All right, so it's bled, I guess. We're good. Nothing's coming out the bottom. So we're gonna get ready to take it for its first drive in, man, like 6 months. Exciting stuff. See what happens. Alright, so power steering seems good so far. We just dumped it in the mailbox. But there is a lot of noise coming from the back rear wheel, back right wheel.
Yeah, we're pretty sure it's just the brakes after not moving for
Like
4 billion years. We can probably get you a clip here in a second when we get moving again. Ow. I think they can hear that. Not sure if they can see it. Yeah, they get the idea. So
So we're gonna take it around the block.
see if it goes away.
See what happens. All right, well, we're back, safe and sound. It runs and drives. The levels stay good, no leaks as of yet, still dry. So we did hear a noise coming from this wheel. Could be anything. Could be anything. But it could be the hub back here. Man, look at this wheel.
Yeah, it is unspunish.
Look at this.
And it's just orange. Y'all wanna see a motherfucker who don't clean nothing?
We're gonna. Eesh.
Just don't look at that.
Don't look at that. So yeah, there it is. Runs and drives. Finally, I can actually take this places now. We do have a spare bolt. So if you know what this goes to, let me know. But thanks for watching. Let us know if there's anything else you want to see on the WRX. If you're enjoying the WRX videos, or if you want to see something on a piece of shit or the Maverick. We got stuff for both in plan. Just let us know what you want to see. Thanks for checking out the vid, and we're gonna address the headers in the next video for this, I think. But let us know what you think. Thanks for checking it out. Go to Refined Truck if you want some shit for the Maverick. RefinedTruck.com. If you made it this far,
Thanks.
thanks. There's the whip. Runs and drives. Garage cat. Man.